Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at Harvard High School, and today we're going to be raising slabs that bleachers are sitting on at their football field. What has happened is the slabs have cracked and the front edge has dropped down and the cracks have opened up. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise the outer edge of these slabs. We're going to pick them up and support them, and then we're going to address the cracks by filling them in with a flexible polyurethane sealant. So we're going to take a quick shot and show you exactly what we're talking about, and then we're going to get them raised and supported. Let's take a look now. Okay, so now we're on the bleachers. We're actually standing on a part that is still level and supported properly. We're going to show you exactly what's going on with the other end of these bleachers where it has broke and dropped off and sinking. Let's take a look at this now. As you can see, these large cracks open up, and the slabs on the left edge where the fence is sunk down and it's leaning away from the bleachers. We're going to go ahead and we're going to raise these up, and we're going to support the outer edge, and then we're going to come back through and address the cracks, like I said earlier, with a flexible polyurethane sealant. And then when we're all done, we'll go ahead and take a quick shot to show you the final product.